Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got a quick unboxing video for you today. I finally got my order from Olight. I ordered this during their Christmas sale, so I thought do a quick unboxing. It's taken quite a while to get it, so kind of excited. Use my Victorinox hiker I got for Christmas to open it. And I got the Red Warrior Mini. So this is pretty cool. Look at the box. Turbo is 1500 lumens. High is 500. Medium is 120. Low is 15. And moon is 1. And of course, Olight's, they'll step down. So it goes from 1500 to 500 to 170. So it's not too bad. It can run on turbo at 1500 lumens for 4 minutes. You know, that's quite a long time. I've never had anything on turbo that long. And the highest lumen flashlight I have is this SR1 Baton 2, and this is like 1000 lumen, which is pretty bright. So this goes up to 1500. Let's check her out. Before you pocket it, please hold the side switch to lock it for safety. So yeah, I guess there's been quite a few instances where this thing's turned on in someone's pocket and melted the lens, burnt their clothing. So yeah, might be a good idea, I guess, to lock it out when it's in pocket. Yeah, as usual, you gotta remove the little plastic disc. Behind the back, you got paperwork. Got the magnetic USB charger and a lanyard strap. Now, I did use the lanyard strap for, quite a bit on this, but I ended up taking it off. So let's remove the disc. So there's that plastic thing they put in for shipping. Here's the battery. 18650 rechargeable lithium-ion battery. 3500 milliamp hours. 3.6 volt. See down inside. Come on. Get the copper spring in the bottom. So pretty cool. Yeah, this isn't a bad size. Compared to the S1R Baton 2. Just a second, turn it off. So, yeah, it's about twice the length. Well, not quite. About 1.5 the length. Just a little bit thicker. But, yeah, I'm not going to do a review. I got to play with this. I just thought I'd show it to you. Low, medium, high. High is 500 lumens. That's pretty bright. So, put on turbo. Oh yeah. Put this in turbo. Yeah. The Warrior Mini is a little brighter. I don't know if you can tell on and the screen, but a little bit. So what's cool about this, it does have a tail switch. Right now it's set up for, comes on like 170 lumens. You full press it, it's on high 500. No, it's on turbo. So 170 turbo. And then you can switch it to come on half press turbo, full press strobe. That's kind of tactical, you know. I don't know which I'll keep it on. I might keep it on 170 to turbo. Long press. Did I just turn it? Nope. There's moonlight. So to lock it out, how do you lock it out? A lot of instructions here. I thought you just held it down. Oh, okay, you do. So now nothing works. Tail switch, nothing. Press and hold it again, light will come on. Now it all works. So that doesn't take too long to lock it out. If you're in a situation you want the tactical aspect of pulling it out and blinding someone, I don't think you'd want to lock it out, but for safety measures, I guess it doesn't take too long to lock it out. But yeah, pretty cool, limited edition. I like the red. I should have brought it out. I have a red i3T, so I like that one. But yeah, this is magnetic base. I mean, even through paper, it kind of pretty strong. Yeah, take a look at it. Warrior Mini. Serial number on this 7869. I'll definitely do a review on this after I use it, you know, a little bit more. But it doesn't weigh a lot. Weighs a lot less than I thought it would. 3.67 ounces. The SL1 Baton 2, 1.8, so about double the weight, but it's almost double the size also. So that's moonlight, low, medium, high, turbo, strobe. So that's, yeah, I like this. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show it to you. My first impressions, I like this a lot. Definitely going to be in my rotation. Too bad it wouldn't fit in my pouch, my Leatherman Wave pouch. I could just hook it in, like, you know, have the light on the outside, but I'd be afraid to lose it. But yeah, as usual, you know, if you like this video, hit the like button. Leave a comment down below if you got one of these Warrior Minis, what you think of it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I guess till the next video, bye.